What's the meaning of Beacon School? Beacon School. Beacon School.
Beacon School. Beacon School. A beacon school is a term used to describe a school that serves as a model or an inspiration for other schools. Often, these schools have demonstrated excellence in a particular area, such as academics, athletics, or community involvement. As a result, they are sought after by other schools as a source of expertise and guidance. Beacon schools may also serve as a hub for professional development, offering training and resources to educators across their district or region. By setting an example of best practices, a beacon school can help elevate the quality of education in its wider community.